Alright, let me be honest with you. If someone told me a years ago that I could make 500 bucks a day using a website that write article for my while I am being Netflix in my pocket, I would say, bro, are you high? But here we are. Welcome to 2025 years wild, and no, this is not ChatGPT. This site I am about to show you is like ChatGPT's colors questions who actually does your homework and make you money. Stick around, I will show you step by step how people in the US are flipping these AI tools into real cash without any job skill and showing their face. Let's go. Okay, quick questions. When's the last time you need a blog online? Live top 10 gadgets, articles, or best phones under $500 posts. Chances are a human did not write that and AI did. And here's the kicker. That article made someone money from affiliate links, ads, or even selling that article itself. And now you can do the same thing. No writing, no English degree, just you and your Wi-Fi and your coffee. This is catchy.com. Weird name, I know, but this baby can spit up full 100 words or 1000 words blog post in less time than it take to a microwave a burrito. Would you give it a topic like best laptops for students or a top side hustles in 2025 and boom, it's right the whole thing, intro, bullet, conclusion, even images. It's like having a ready ghostwriter writing for free. Kitab, if you are watching this, I love you, man. Alright, enough talking, let's fire this thing up and let's begin our video without wasting more time. First, go to the catchy.com, make a free account, no credit card, no shady survey, you are in. Now click on article generator. Let's type best smartwatches in 2025. Hit generate and look at this. You will generate your whole blog in 1000 words, and it should be a very SEO optimized blog article ready to copy paste and or a sell. If you want to sell this article, you have to choose the Fiverr or Upwork to sell this, and if you want to upload this on your website, you will earn money from your articles. Okay, so it writes stuff, cool, but how do you make actual money? Glad you ask. Money making machines. Here's how people are getting paid in US using Catchy. Fiverr Hustle. List yourself as a blog writer, charge $25 to $50 for a 100 or for 1,000 words article. Catchy write it's you deliver it, repeat 100 times a day. And second thing is blog plus affiliate link. Create your own blog using WordPress, using Catchy to write 30 articles about gadget, laptop, beauty, anything, and Amazon. Like when people click plus buy, you get dollars. Medium.com publishing. Post Catchy writer application articles on Medium. Join the partner program. Get paid for reads. Ebooks for groomed. Write mini ebooks using Catchy and sell them online. You can write the books and the articles also with this AI tools. This AI tool is very amazing to writing any type of your blog and any type of your articles. Here's a real Fiverr gigs. This dude is charging $40 per blog post and he's got over 200 reviews, multiple that easily $8,000 plus, and he's probably using tools like Catchy behind the scene just like you will. Let me level with you. If you really want to long-term income, build a faceless blog. Pick a niche: tech, travel, parenting, fashions. Use Catchy to write 50 plus articles, post 2 or 3 per week, and ads, Google AdSense, and affiliate links. Chill. In months, 2 or 3 months, you will make $100 plus per week passively, like you are sleeping. Your site is working. Look, this is not some click once and become a millionaires nonsense. You will got show up and consistent build a system. But this AI tools give you a heat shot. You don't need to write, you don't need to be a camera, and you don't need to work for someone else. You are the boss now. Use Catchy smartly and make that blog. If you learned something new today, smash that like, drop a Kitab squad in the comments, and I will show you in the next AI my money making hack video. Peace out and legends. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.